Hey, my name is Matt Raj. I'm in section 2, and the experiment I'm going to do today is number 29 in our little list of things that we can do. It's called Bigger. It's an experiment about the effects of air resistance on, the size of the parachute, and I'm going to be showing you that today. Alright, now, the items I'm going to need for my project are going to be some garbage bags, some string, pair of scissors, ruler, and I'm gonna need washers. But I decided that instead of using washers, I would use some earrings since I have plenty of them lying around. And instead of like a parachute, I'm gonna call it the plug-a-chute because earrings can be called plugs. So this is what I'm gonna use. All right. All right. Now the first thing I had to do was to cut up a plastic bag, and after I'm done with all the extra stuff, I ended up with two nice neat squares. The 12 by 12 one in inches, and this is my 24 by 24, and I'll be using them for the air resistance. Then I used 20-inch strings to tie each corner of the bag, and I tied them together in a knot. And then I used a 4-inch string to tie the plug, or if you're going to try this, use a washer or whatever. All of them. And you got to make sure everything is the same length so that it works properly. And I did that with both bags and both plugs. And after I put all that together, I went to a place where I could get the right amount of distance for this experiment to really work. Inside my apartment, I didn't really have enough room for them to fall properly and really show you the effect that were desired. So I went outside, and I'll let you be the judge of which one fell faster and whatnot. Now, as we saw, the larger parachute took longer to open, and it also took longer to fall than the smaller parachute. And the reason that happens is because objects push against air as the force of gravity causes them to fall. And this upward push of air molecules is called air resistance. If the object has a large surface and a small weight, the upward push of air can equal the downward force due to weight, causing the object to gently flow downward, like a feather. Some insects have such a small weight as compared to their surface area that instead of falling from a height, they float down and are therefore unharmed. So, like I said, I'm Matt Raj, Section 2. The experiment was Bigger, or as I renamed it, the plug-a-chute. And I hope you enjoyed watching my earrings fall on the ground. I'm going to have to go wash them pretty good before I put them back on my head. And I hope you have a nice day.